Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best fudge pan is probably one of the most essential tools for making creamy, delicious fudge at home. Today, we will explore what makes a great fudge pan, the different types available, and provide you with some tips and tricks to help you achieve fudge making success. We will also look at some of the top-rated fudge pans on the market, comparing their features, benefits, and drawbacks to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. Wilton Recipe Right Baking Pan Set. This set will take your baking to the next level. It's perfect for cakes, brownies, or anything you can imagine. They're ideal for all your favorite recipes. Bake like a pro with this durable and versatile set. Each pan comes with a lid to keep your treats fresh and delicious. Enjoy your baked goods for longer. Made of heavy steel for even heat distribution and easy release. It's also non-stick for effortless cleanup. Cleaning is a breeze. They are dishwasher safe, but a quick wash with warm soapy water is recommended. You get two 9 by 9 inch pans with lids, plus a 5-year warranty. Bake with confidence. What we like? It's versatile enough for various bakes and comes with lids to keep your treats fresh. If you need a durable and versatile option for cakes, brownies, and more, and want to keep them fresh, this is the one for you. Its durable construction ensures even baking and long-lasting use, perfect for frequent bakers. What people say. The lids have kept my stuff from getting stale after almost a week, and the pans stack nicely for transport in my thermal bags. They have gotten a lot of use and still look and feel brand new. I've baked cakes, casseroles, and every gooey, sticky, staining thing you can imagine. Clean up with a damp paper towel is all I need. The elevated design is brilliant, plenty of room for decoration and space that ensures the contents don't end up stuck to the lid. And these lids fit tightly. The heavy-duty plastic will still stay on and provide airtight storage for years to come. Number 4. Good Cook 8 by 8 Cake Pan. This pan is perfect for baking all your favorite treats. It's designed for even heat distribution and easy cleanup. Say goodbye to unevenly baked cakes and brownies. It ensures a perfect bake every time. Its non-stick surface makes releasing your baked goods a breeze, and cleanup is quick and easy. Made of heavy-duty steel, it's built to last and resist warping. Plus, it's metal spatula safe for easy serving. It's the ideal size for 8 by 8 inch cakes, brownies, and all sorts of delicious desserts. Enjoy baking. This pan is made with durable steel, ensuring years of reliable baking. It measures 8 by 8 by 2.25 inches. What we like? This ensures even heat distribution for perfectly baked goods every time, and cleanup is a breeze. If you're looking for even baking and easy cleanup, this pan is a great choice. Its durable steel construction guarantees long-lasting performance, making it a worthwhile investment for any baker. What people say. This pan fits conveniently in my oven, making it easy to bake brownies, cakes, and cookies. The gray color is sleek and modern, and it distributes heat evenly for consistent baking results. I love how non-stick it is. My baked goods come out easily without any sticking. Cleanup is a breeze too. This pan withstood over an hour in the oven without bending in any way. It is sturdy, built well, bakes evenly, heats evenly, and is so very easy to clean. It bakes evenly and cleans easily. Number 3. Boxiki Silicone Cake Pan. This innovative pan is made from high-quality, non-toxic silicone, ensuring easy release of your baked goods every time. Say goodbye to sticky messes. It features a sturdy steel frame for support, preventing sagging and ensuring long-lasting use. Bake with confidence, knowing it will hold up to the task. It's perfect for brownies, cakes, and so much more. Get creative and explore endless baking possibilities. Cleaning is a breeze. It's dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. Enjoy baking without the hassle of cleanup. It's safe for use in the oven, microwave, refrigerator, and freezer. It's truly a versatile baking essential. We stand behind our product. Your satisfaction is guaranteed, or your money back. Shop with confidence. What we like? It features a non-stick silicone surface for easy release and effortless cleanup. If you value easy release and cleaning, this is a great option. Its durable frame prevents sagging, ensuring long-lasting performance, perfect for those who want a hassle-free baking experience. What people say. It's really awesome. Because of the silicone, it is easy to clean and maintain over time. However, because of the metal, it also maintains its shape going in and out of the oven without pouring things out the middle when you try to pick it up by one side or both. Yes, these are really great. They have all the flexibility and non-stick properties we want from silicone, but they don't spill and they aren't flimsy because they have the support of metal. They hold their shape, and don't tip or turn, and no spills. The best part of no spills for me, no extra messes to clean up. Easy to use and store. And also really easy to clean, no heavy scrubbing needed. The handles make it so easy to use and to grab out of the oven, and the bread never sticks. It's great. Number 2. Ultra Cuisine Square Cake Pan. It features a premium non-stick surface for effortless release of your baked goods. Say goodbye to sticky messes and hello to easy cleanup. This versatile pan is designed for easy cleaning. Its PFOA/PTFE-free, non-stick coating makes washing a breeze. Made from aluminized steel, it ensures even heat distribution for perfectly baked goods every time. Enjoy consistently delicious results. It's 100% PFOA and PTFE-free, providing a safe and non-toxic baking experience for you and your family. Ultra Cuisine upholds the highest quality standards. We're committed to enhancing your baking experience. It's ideal for cakes, brownies, and more. Its 7 by 7 inch size is perfect for a variety of recipes. What we like. It boasts an easy release surface and is designed for effortless cleaning. If you prioritize easy release and cleaning, this is a great pick. Its even baking ensures perfectly cooked goods every time, making it ideal for those who want consistent results. What people say. Nice heavy weight, cooks evenly. Easy to clean. Durable surface. Love this pan. I bake my sourdough dinner rolls in it and they turn out perfectly, assures even baking. The non-stick coating is wonderful, it even creates crust that is very flavorful for meats, especially chicken. Number 1. Boxiki 8x8 Baking Pan. This baking pan is the best cookware you can find. Its heavy-gauge metal ensures even heat distribution for perfectly baked goods. It's perfect for cakes and casseroles. The square shape offers endless recipe possibilities. The wide handles provide a secure grip, even when wearing oven mitts. The comfortable, textured silicone grips add a pop of color to your kitchen. Its high-quality non-stick surface makes releasing food a breeze. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. It measures 8 inches long by 8 inches wide and 2 inches deep. The easy grip, textured red silicone handles are ergonomically designed for comfort. We stand behind our product. Your satisfaction is guaranteed, or your money back. What we like. It features a non-stick steel surface for easy food release and comfortable handles. If you're looking for a durable and easy-to-use pan with comfortable handles, this is a great choice. Its high-quality construction ensures even heat distribution and long-lasting performance, perfect for bakers who value both quality and convenience. What people say. The pan is perfect for my wife's needs. It is made well. This is my second time purchasing this pan. I baked a gingerbread to give to family and they kept my pan, oh well. So I purchased again because it is a handy, non-stick pan good for many things. The pan heats evenly, great non-stick as cake lifts out of the pan very easily. I place it in the dishwasher for easy cleanup. Now, I do place it on the top rack of the dishwasher. This is a great pan. The material is sturdy and the pan is well made. I love the fact that it is dishwasher safe and does not rust. I also like the fact that it has handles making it easier to take out of the oven. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.